Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AVS Training. Let's learn what is null keyword today. Is null keyword is used to check if there are any columns in the table which has null value. Null value represents the missing value of the column in the table. Null value is a blank or missing value and not zero or a column with spaces. While creating a table, a field can be mentioned as is null or not null. So when we create a table in SQL, we can mention for a particular column whether it is not null or not. So when we mention not null, that means we have to insert some value into that column while performing an insert. If you haven't mentioned that column as not null, that means that column can be null. So it is not mandatory to insert any value into that column. So how to use is null? So we can write like this, like select column name from a particular name table where column name is null. Okay, so if you see here employee table, I have a table where it has 5 columns: employee ID, department ID, first name, middle name and last name, and it has some rows. There are total 5 rows in this table, and if you see at the bottom there are 2 rows where a particular column is blank or there is no value in that. So if we run a query on this table using is null, we should get only these 2 rows, that because the one column does not have any value. So let's try to run this query in the database. So I have a query already written where select employee ID comma first name comma middle name last name and department ID from employee table where department ID is null. That means we are checking is there any rows in this table which does not have any value to department ID column. So if you see, we get 2 rows because these 2 rows does not have any value in the department ID column. So this is how you can use is null keyword. Let's see next topic using is not null keyword. So is not null is exactly opposite of null. So we just have to write not in is null. Okay, so as you can see, this is a table where employee table and it has 3 rows which has some value in the department ID column. So if you write this query using is not null, you are going to get only these 3 rows. So let's run this query in the database. So we just have to add not here is not null. So if you run this, you are going to get only 3 rows because these 3 rows has a value in the department ID column. So this is how you can use is null and is not null keywords in the SQL. So I hope you liked my video. If you like, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.